Hello everyone. Welcome to Ammo Simple Maths for Class 10 CBSE Mathematics. I am your Maths teacher, Mrs. Amudavalli. In today's session, you are going to watch a video based on exercise 4.2, that is from chapter 4, quadratic equation. Shall we move on to the video? Good. Now let us see the title, Solve the Quadratic Equations by Factorization. You have been doing factorization since class 8 onwards. Now I have given you all the 4 different types of factorization, how the questions can be asked. Okay, now let us step into the question number 1. 3x squared minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. See, the product of the factors can be found out by multiplying a into c. That is, a is the coefficient of x squared and the constant term. So that gives you positive. See, 3 plus 3 into plus 2, that gives you 6. Whereas the sum of the factors, that is the middle term, that is minus 5. So that is, sum is negative and the product is positive. So this is the first type. Product is positive and sum is a negative. So that means both the factors must be negative, because negative into negative, when you multiply together, it gives you positive. So in that way we are splitting. So when you are splitting the middle term, minus 5, it gives you minus 3 plus minus 2 gives you minus 5. When you multiply minus 3 into minus 2, you will get plus 6. Okay, so now we are splitting the middle term and we are arranging and writing 3x squared minus 3x minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. Now we are taking the common term outside, that is 3x we are taking outside, common factor. So it gives you 3x into x minus 1. Here 2 is a common factor we are taking out, that is minus 2. So it gives you the same thing, the same factor, that is x minus 1 equal to 0. So 3x minus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0. So when you are solving for x, you are getting x equal to 2 by 3 and x equal to 1. So x equal to 2 by 3 and x equal to 1 are the solutions of the given quadratic equation. This is for the first type. Okay. The second type, see, 3 root 3 x squared plus 16x plus 7 root 3 equal to 0. See, here a into c. A is 3 root 3, c is 7 root 3. When you find the product, you are getting 63, that is positive. And the middle term is plus 16. That is the sum of the factors, that is also positive. So product and sum both are positive. So both the factors you are getting positive only. So when you are splitting the middle term 16, see, plus 9 plus 7 gives you, when you add up, you get plus 16. When you multiply, you are getting 63. Okay. Now let us split the middle term and we'll arrange and write. So that is 3 root 3 x squared plus 9x plus 7x plus 7 root 3 equal to 0. Let us take the common factor. Here 3 root 3x is the common factor. So we are taking outside. So you are getting x plus root 3. See, 9, when you are dividing by 3 root 3, 9 can be split as 3 into 3. So 3 get cancelled. Root 3 into 3 get 3 and root 3 while cancelling, it leaves you root 3. So you are getting x plus root 3 inside the bracket plus 7 you are taking outside. Here for the third and fourth term, 7 is a common factor. So x plus root 3 equal to 0. So that gives you 3 root 3 x plus 7 equal to 0 or x plus root 3 equal to 0. When you are solving for x from the first expression, you are getting x equal to minus 7 by 3 root 3 and x equal to minus root 3. See, here in the denominator, you are getting root 3. So that is not a rational number. So it's an irrational number. So we have to rationalize. So we have to multiply both denominator and numerator by root 3. So it gives you the value x equal to minus 7 root 3 by 9 and x equal to minus root 3 are the solutions for the given equation. This is for the second type, that is when both product and sum are positive. Okay. Now let us move on to the question 3, that is with the type, that is for the example for a product and sum both are negative. Okay. 16x minus 10 by x equal to 27. See, here one difference you can note down. Here the given equation is not in the standard form of the quadratic equation. So what we have to do, see, we have to multiply throughout by x. So in order to eliminate this denominator x, when you are multiplying throughout by x, you are getting 16x squared minus 10 equal to 27x. Okay, you are bringing 27x to the left hand side. So now you are getting this Pakka quadratic equation as per the standard form. It gives you 16x squared minus 27x minus 10 equal to 0. Now you can see, observe, A into C, that is 16 into minus 10 gives you minus 160. So the product is negative. And the middle term is minus 27. So minus 27 is also negative. So both are negative. Product and sum both are negative. So that means you will be getting two factors. One will be negative and one will be positive. So negative will be more of magnitude and the positive will be of less of magnitude. So in that way we are splitting the middle term. So minus 32 plus 5 gives you minus 27. When you find the product for these both the numbers, it gives you minus 160. Now let us split down the middle term and we can arrange and write 16x squared minus 32x plus 5x minus 10 equal to 0. Now let us take the common factor 16x outside. So it gives you 16x into x minus 2 plus 5 is the common factor here. 5 let us take outside. 5 into x minus 2 equal to 0. So it gives you 16x plus 5 equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0. So we are getting two solutions for the x, that is x equal to minus 5 by 16 and x equal to positive 2 plus 2 are the solutions for the given quadratic equation. This is for the type 3. Now let us move on to the fourth example. For the type product is negative and sum is positive. 4t squared plus 4t minus 15 equal to 0. Now you can observe here A is positive 4 and C is minus 15. When you find the product, it gives you minus 60. So the product becomes negative and the middle term is positive 4. That is the sum of the factors is positive and the product is negative. So product negative and sum positive. So when you are adding plus 10 and minus 6, that gives you positive 4. When you are multiplying plus 10 into minus 10, it gives you minus 60. So let us split the middle term and arrange and write. 4t squared plus 10t minus 60 minus 15 equal to 0. Let us take the common factor 2t outside. So it gives you 2t into 2t plus 5 minus, here 3 is a common factor. Let us take outside. So minus 3 into 2t plus 5 equal to 0. So 2t minus 3 and 2t plus 5 equal to 0. So here you are getting the value for t equal to 3 by 2 and here you are getting from this factor you are getting t equal to minus 5 by 2. So t equal to 3 by 2 and t equal to minus 5 by 2 are the two values or the two roots or solutions for the given quadratic equation. Students, if you find this video really useful to you, please kindly subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.